Hi guys, welcome to the next tutorial on PHP, and in this we're going to look at the includes function. Okay, here it is here. So this is my index page, and what I did was I've cut all this information from the top of my index page and I saved in a new file called second.php. Okay, now I want to link this page to my index. So what I've done with my PHP tags, I just put in the include and a space second.php. So basically, this document is now part of the index document. So if I run this, I should get the whole document because it's still one document. There you go. There's all the information that we have. As you can look, and you can see this one had the doc in it, right? And you can see there's the doc. Okay, and my main page had, my second page had document 1, right? See it there? And I had subtitle 1, the headers, okay? So that's simple enough. All we're doing is cutting some of it out. We're linking the second page to our main page. This is used mainly for if you have loads of functions of different type of functions, or you're breaking things into categories. You can separate them into different files instead of having them in one file, and you can link them all when you need to link them. Alright, thanks for joining me guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.